Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today it's about time I do this Nokia N91. Well, what's left of it? Almost everything. The phone works fine, that's a good thing. The display, I don't think it's too good. It even has a few scratches, so I will try to change it. If not, I'll leave it. But so hit here. I did find a list of compatible phones on Google. You can search that by, just say the phone name and what component you want. It also give you alternatives. Anyway, but before I get to restore it, 134 talk hours, not bad. Let's begin. So I won't be needing this anymore. There we go. Eek. Oh, my gloves are dirty because I used them on my last refurbish videos, and it is what it is. Okay. Got sticked. Okay. So here's the frame with the earpiece that I will need to clean. What fell? Oh, these are from here to make contact with the metal parts. Yeah, I don't know what kind of display this is. I have some displays that I brought here. This is not it. And I think this is not it either. I'm a bit confused of something, so can I take the display out of here? Yes, I can, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll put this back because there's nothing I can do to it. Why did it say that it's compatible to the 3230? Have to look again for a display. If I don't find any display, I'll have to use this one, and that will be it. And you won't see the differences on it. Now, these buttons, I need to use this. These are not that bad. I can still keep them, but I'm not gonna use them. Any hidden screw here? No. Easy. Got sticked here over the time, There we go. And now for me to take the camera out, I can just pull it with my hands on this type of camera. And that's it. Here's the 2-megapixel camera. And here's the back of the main board. And the front of it. What does it say? Samsung. Okay. Before I get to this, let me start with the front. here's the little latch that holds it from not going completely out. Pull it out like this. See what I'm doing? I pull this out and then this slides right off. Now I need to take these connectors, because the body shell that I have is not an original one, because I can't find an original one. So please try to find one if you can. These are still good. This, nope. Now here, yeah, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, it unsticked. It's acceptable. The buttons are also acceptable somehow. Oh yeah. Is this thing glued here? And this is melted plastic basically. Easy, easy. Now it falls off. The middle part is just to hold the buttons. And yeah, these are the buttons. But first I need to take this out somehow. Yep, it's the microphone. I was wondering where it is. Now I found it. Oh. I'm guessing this original piece, if you buy an original one, comes with everything on it. Just a hunch. Finally. That's some strong adhesive for how old is this phone? Almost 20 years. Of course I have to glue this on the new body shell. And this is the magnet. Oh, so I'm guessing this magnet is to... There's another magnet. This is a sensor here, yeah. This is to know when you open and close it, I'm guessing. Anyway, back to unfolding this. Very easy to snap. Gently pulling it. Gently. Almost. Okay, that's half of it. Now this is the even trickier part. Come on, you don't stick back just yet. Is it in one piece? Yes, it is. Look at this circuit. Right, enough of this. Now here we have the charging port, which is actually an adapter for the small charging port. Interesting. This is the EMA plate. What else? The vibration motor. A lot of stuff on this thing. I can't destroy this thing because this part is going to remain original. The headphones port. This is the slider to lock and unlock. There we go. It's out in one. Is it in one piece? Please tell me it's in one piece. Yes, it's in one piece. Phew. This is the loudspeaker, which I don't know if I should take out. Okay, it comes out good. This is not one of the glued ones. This is the resonator box. Yeah. It's just a metal holder. And this is the hard drive, which I have to be very careful taking out. There we go. This hard drive, it's covered in a rubber seal, well, dampener mostly. And this is the 4 GB hard drive. A bit heavy. I'm not gonna take everything out of it because I need it to be functional. Did this thing just snapped or? Right. So I have all this is a new part. And I don't have any seals, of course. So I have to take everything from this thing, like everything. Okay then. How many other things are on this thing? That thing is glued on this thing, which is glued on this thing. Alright. Another seal here. Yeah, it snapped. Great. This is the camera seal. Can I save it? Basically scraping it from it. Come on. Don't do me dirty. It's savable-ish. I could have just let this, but man, this one is new. Well, we have this seal, at least. Now, push these buttons out. This coming out. Oh sh! It also got stuck. Okay, I managed to fix it. Well, partially. It will press anyway. So I'm gonna keep this thing because apparently the parts are very sensitive, not like on the other ones. However, I'm gonna change this thing. Oh, come on, even this thing can be changed. This needs to be changed. What to do? These things won't just come out. Will they? Huh? Unbelievable, I'm also damaging this one. What the heck with it? Yeah, so I'm gonna glue this here or something, I'll see. And I know I had a small knife, but I lost it somewhere. Anywho. Comes off just like this. So I take this button. Okay, this plastic is also tough. Okay. Right, I'm not wasting your time to see me clean this. I'll clean it and be right back with the assembly. So I finished cleaning it and I found this display from a Nokia 6680. I forgot the model, dang it. I'm sleepy, it's 11:30 p.m. 6630, yes. And I also forgot to clean it a little. It's the same size. And it's not scratched or dented. That's the best part. Wait, the power button should be... Oh, I haven't cleaned this one. Oh, come on. That's the power button. This here should be the power button. Oh, yeah, well, there it is. Oh my god. What the actual... Yeah, not working. So I'll have to keep the old display. I wanted to change it, but nothing to change it with. The only other option left I have, it's a Nokia N70. I wonder if which one looks ugly. This one. I wonder if this one is the same. I'll tear it down and be right back. And it's not similar, the connector is here, so back to the drawing board. Okay, this is the last one. If even this one is not the same, then I give up. What kind of a... Nah. Is it this one? This might be it. God, please let this be it. Because it's late. I'm tired. This looks oddly similar. It even has that processor or whatever that is here. And water fell in this, eh? Oh, it's mostly oil, whatever that is. Please be good. Oh, come on, bro. What's the difference between them? Seriously, it looks the same. Either that, either it's damaged. I'm trying to form an idea, to say like that. Whatever, I'll use this one and be done with it. However, I do have another phone that I think it's better than this, but that one has an original body shell, you know, and yeah. This was a total waste of time, which I'm not gonna recover. Enough whining. Let me start. Actually, I'll get to clean this and be right back. Alright, I cleaned it. Now, I need to put this first. Wait. Something like this. Put some glue. I'm not gonna melt this because I have nothing to melt. Back. I can put some of the parts back. I'm gonna put the easy parts first. I can also shove this camera back where it belongs. You can put it the other way around. It has the pins, you know. Okay, this for now. I'm letting dry as I'm preparing everything else, you know. Still have to also glue something else. Great. So I have this and I have this, and I have to make sure that they slide easy. Now, this won't actually stick, so I'll have to glue it again. I'll do this one. Yeah. I have here some buttons. Here are the buttons. Okay. Something like this, keeping the original idea. And this has to also be glued, right? Huh? Yeah, it had adhesive. Not gonna put too much of it. One droplet here. Oh, come on, don't go that way. One droplet here, one here. Now, one here. Dang it, here. Here. Okay. Something like this. Now. Okay. Saved. Luckily you can't put them the other way around. Now this. Okay. Oh, I also have this thing. Alright, why not use it? Menu button. Okay. Also slide it nicely. Okay. Yeah. Seriously, I had a new this. Bruh, how did I not see this? Anyway. Maybe still needs to dry, maybe it didn't dry enough, but I'll start to assemble it. I need to start with this thing. reuse this. If I would have known that I'm not gonna use it, I would not take it off, you know. But I was so triggered to put the new part that I didn't see the weaknesses of this old part. Good enough. I know it was something that oh yeah, the button, the lock unlock button. So now this. Also, let me not forget about this. Okay. Oh, okay. There are a lot of connectors here. Okay. Oh yeah. Whoops, I forgot I had to put this first, but great. I have to put this, the hard drive first, then the EMA metal plate. Okay. It goes in like this. Can actually put this here. All right. Ah, phew, I thought I forgot to put these parts. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay. Need to shove these in place. And this. Will this fit in? Oh, it fit. Okay. Nice. And now you're thinking that I forgot to put something, right? Huh? What's the problem now, boss? Okay. I can just leave it here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I have to put the display inside the body shell first? Sorry, what? What? Okay. Did not expected that thing to happen. That's a good idea, actually, you know. Now to connect it where it belongs. I'm gonna have to screw them and see if it works. Screw the screw, you know. Let's put a battery in before I put the top cover to make sure that it works. Let's see if it does something. Before I click it, I believe the display may have some problems, but I don't have another one. I do, however, have that other Nokia that's in worse condition. Okay. Seriously? Okay, then I'll bite. I'll assume that you're not tricking me and that it works fine. However, first, this didn't went correctly in its place. Now it went here and now here. Okay. Okay, it's good. Now, let's try this again. Basically, it's done. What do you mean replace battery cover? Wait, actually, the hard drive, what do you mean not available? It's not connecting properly? Oh, come on. It had to be the hard drive, man. Oh, I think I know what's not available. You're not supposed to press hard drives. If it's pressing too hard on it, it may not work. I'll disassemble it again and fix the problem. So I was 2 years old when I just found out that the battery cover has a magnet in. And this new non-original one doesn't have the magnet in. For example, I'm putting this one, right? And I'm starting the music player, which needs access to the hard drive. See, and it tells you replace battery cover. I'll show you why. taken this one out and put in the original battery cover. Opening. Now it works. See? I want to make sure that the speaker works. Okay, it works. All the buttons work. Now listen to this. I was wondering how the heck does it know when I take the battery cover off. Should I? Oh, it snapped. Okay. Got the magnet out. How the heck is this thing more resistant than the original? Okay, it's snapped. Good. This is gonna be a bit tricky, but doable. Okay. It is so easy to dent. Basically, I hold it tightly before bending it, you know. Okay, it's in its place. Let's see if it works. It beeped. It means it saw it. Now it's fully functional and a bit dirty. 1 second. So the music player works. Good. Let me check the camera. Okay, it works. Image, video. And this is how a non-original body shell looks like. It's not the worst. I didn't have to make any adjustments except for, well, there's a difference between original and non-original body shells. The original one has everything in them. For example, this control panel, to say like that, for the music, it comes with everything on it. You just have to slide it in. Or it comes with the whole face. I don't know exactly how it's supposed to be, but usually it's everything in it. Or this thing, if you get the middle part, you should have everything in it, maybe except for the hard drive, but the speaker, charging port, vibration motor, all of that should be in it. The non-original ones come completely empty, and some of them come even without the seals for the display or camera, like on my case now. But it's way, way, way better than it was before. So I'm happy. Like even let me show you the other one. This one is from my shelf. I have 2 of these, so. Well, it's sliding hard, but if I grease it, it will slide easier. You can't actually, from the distance, you can't tell which is which. For example, the only way you can see it by looking at up close. See, this one, it has less space between the metal and the plastic. This one has a bit of a larger gap because it's wobbly a bit, but it works. So still, This one may be good quality, but it's used. But this one, it's bad quality, but well, not bad. I mean, it holds everything together and every button is pressing correctly, so I can't be bad to it, you know. But which one would you prefer, this one or this one? Leave a comment. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you plan to disassemble your own phone and now you know what's inside and how to do everything. And I didn't know about the magnet and the battery cover, but now I do. And fixed. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye.